is good. That is good. At least you're not one of them who want to just be on TikTok for the entertainment. Okay.
I'm going to give you my own experience.
Okay.
I'm making for my own experience, Kizzy. Just like you, I come from a line of PMP family. My father was a PMP before he died. My mother's entire generation, my father's entire generation. My father is from between Pienland and Bacto, as you know, well-known PMP areas. My mother, Greenwich Farm. So I'm from a line of PMP people, right? And like you, I came up in it and I constantly hear about PMP this, PMP that. And of course, just like you, I jump on the PMP side. And when me hear people are cuss labor right, of course, I cuss them too. I talk all heap of things too. There was no live at the time when me I come up and all of that, but we sit down pan corner and we chat labor right and we diss them and talk all kind of things and call them green arm. And I know what it is. I did it too. But at some point after voting for PMP a couple of times, I wanted to learn more. You understand what I'm saying? Because the older you get is the more wiser you become. And the more you want to understand what it is that you're doing. So I wanted to know why I was voting. Because yes, I'm voting for PMP, but I don't really know why. I just vote for PMP because the whole family of PMP said I just work with it. And I did my research. And I'm saying to myself, PMP in a power for so long. But how comes? When labor right really I do, why PMP can win for so long and nothing not change? And originally I started to blame the labor right. Them I say, but them have old money in politics not have no sense. Cause look how them sit on one side and make PMP win every election. At this time, it was PGA era where PGA was winning over and over again. I say, but them people don't have no sense. I'm say, no, sir. And then I started to put blame on people like Pernell Charles Sr., Carl Samuda, you know, them old-time politicians, them Mike Henry and them people who sit down in the politics all long. And I give PGA how much term and then can't defend it. But then when I really started to do research, as in Google things, get information, I realized that nothing goes so. It's things like FinSac and some other corruption that you'd have to research it for yourself. And things like them there that caused PMP to win over and over again. That was what it was. It was the level of corruption that, my dear, when you read it for yourself, when you check it for yourself, you'll know what I'm talking about. And I say, but Jesus, peace, then I saw them PMP people did wicked. I kid you not, my dear. When I actually check the facts for myself and realize how much people lost how much money through FinSac and so much other corruption that happened, and that is what held back.
Miss Jin, she might not know what FinSac is and stuff like that. So remember your audience, because she is young. And I mean she's learning now, but we have to remember that like the history and all of that, she won't be familiar with that. So you know what, I would even suggest that we tell her about the last 9 years, because she would have come up in under the Jamaica Labour Party and she will not know how to, you know, compare, because that is not her lived reality. And of course we don't know her home situation and how, you know. So she says it's just a TikTok. So obviously she's here, but when the FinSac and stuff. Yeah. You know, so me mute. I mean, it comes to Mike. Thank you. All right. So you understand? Me just like going to some guidance though. Me mute again. Sorry.
You're right, Kiss. You're right.
Yeah, man, Kiss, you're right.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Somebody can explain.
This is Ermin.
Wagwan.
I just want to ask her one question. Really, one question.
1 second, Herman.
Okay.
Somebody can explain things to you at a later time.
Renee,
I'm just explaining.
Renee, please don't
I'm
be
just giving you
shy.
my story.
Wait, guys, let me talk to her. Please don't be shy. No question you ask, no matter how it sounds to you in your head, like it not sensible. Or don't be shy. Open your mic and engage us because you are the group or meeting we really want to talk to you here. Open your mic, darling. Don't be shy. Any question at all. The panel is here. We are so engage us. If we say something and you don't understand, I need clarity, ask for clarity, okay?
Where the ask, Miss Chin?
No, I was saying to Renee that, no, 1 second. I was saying to Renee that somebody else will explain FinStack to her at a later time. I just wanted to share my own story with her. No, is that her, so that she understands that not everybody is a born labor rights. You are, but I'm not, and a large number of us are not. Some of us did our research and became labor rights, like myself. So do not feel shy, as Kizzy said. Open your mic and ask questions. That's how I learned, and that's how you will learn as well. Renee, do you have any questions?
No, miss.
Renee.
Do you have any questions?
With the crime situation in Jamaica. Do you watch the news? Do you read the news? You familiar with crime in Jamaica?
No, I don't really watch news, but me see it on TikTok and so.
So do you feel good that the police are getting rid of the criminals and the murder rate is going down? Do you feel good about that?
The murder rate is going down?
Right. You didn't know that?
No.
The murder rate has gone down 51. The murder rate. So instead of 1,674 people dying like under the PMP, we now have 1,100 and something, and by this year it will go below 1,000. You didn't see that on TikTok?
No, sir.
Did you see on TikTok the PMP bigging up Skengdan and Danai Williams? Did you see that on TikTok?
No,
Who know
sir.
who names her brother? She not gonna
Oh,
Yeah,
you
me
didn't
know
know?
Skengdan.
She see? Yes,
Right.
of course. We don't know where she see a questions we ask, man. Punkos
You know,
chill. I
you know
write
Skengdan?
question.
You know, say Skengdan,
One of
Skengdan, I want PMP.
PMP Dan, right?
Mr. Dan?
Oh, you never know?
what me just say a while ago. She don't know who this can done.
Right, so
So when
Skengdan.
somebody is Skengdan, why you think?
Me know say Skengdan is a PMP because me see my one PNP conference.
Right, so Skengdan is a Dan that control Manchester for the PMP. Do you believe that it is right to go on a political platform and bigging up a Dan? Do you believe that is right?
No.
Do you believe it is right to give those kind of people who help to create the problems that Jamaica has any platform for people to see them as big influential people in the society? Do you believe that is right?
No.
Do you believe that Jamaica has a crime problem?
Yes, sir.
Right. Do you believe, therefore, that if we have a crime problem, then we must be working on solutions, both JLP and PMP, to get rid of the crime problem? Do you believe to get rid of the crime problem?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that you don't agree with the PMP that they did not support the state of emergency to hunt down the criminals and get rid of them. You disagree with them to not support the state of emergency? You disagree with them to not support the government plan to get rid of crime?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, what do you want to see happen in the society? Is there anything at all that you'd want to see the government do to make life better in the society? Tell us.
We want more opportunity for poor people and less crime rate and more school.
Okay, let me respond to you with those. Those are the three that you want, right? More opportunity for poor people, less crime, and more school. Are you familiar with the Hard Trust NSTA? Do you know about Hard Trust?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You
Protecting the pan the road, the internet bad.
Your mic a beat you, your mic a beat you. Punkus, until protecting come back.
In the pan the road, man.
Yeah, man, in my drive, so internet
Internet I go up and come here.
Punkus come, you have the floor.
Renee,
Mute him till to protect him come back. Me protect him.
Protecting something there pan red.
Yeah. Go through
Okay.
Punkos.
yeah. All right, Renee. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right.
you guys hearing me now?
No protecting. Your signal still a say red. So just wait till it come back in and then you can chime back in.
All right.
Go ahead, Punkos.
Make we reasons in. All right. Me no want overload the whole of information. What me want find out things from you. When you your circle with your friend them and things like that, right? Regarding the country, regarding the government, regarding certain things. What is the viewpoint with amongst you and your friend them?
Me,
Yeah, man.
we talk politics sometime.
Yeah, but like, what them view upon what go under the country?
Talk politics. You can't tell we because we want to hear, you know. Nobody shy as me say. Like when you're your friend attack, we want to say what which part of the politics you talk about? Because
We
yes,
talk politics,
no,
but
yes, say just now. Wait, well on baby. Yes, say you want more opportunities for the poor. And the only reason you could be asking for that is if you do a research to understand what benefits the poor get out of the present government. So we want to hear you say you want to talk politics, but you can't tell we like in a what topic, in a what sense. We want to talk about Andrew let's say look good, not talk say Mark fat and can exercise and tell we.
the Fiverr we par but and me one the four of them are labor right.
So
And
you
me one at the something
right
else,
and
yeah.
you are come from PNP perspective.
Yeah.
The conversation normally
good
come
enough.
down.
So all right. So
That
what
mean you already in
them
a good company,
what them
Renee.
a
Your
say?
friend then nice. That
So-
mean your
so-
friend
Good
then
morning
nice.
again.
No, but because them mother and them father labor right, they must say labor right too.
Okay. But
Good morning
you
again.
are the PMP basically. You fought your parents, but you're curious, so you want to hear more. All right, no problem. We get you.
I wanted to ask her just one question.
Go ahead.
Just one question. Renee,
Yes, miss.
Renee, when you hear that Andrew Wallace stole both money, did you believe?
Stole money.
Bolt's money. You saying both money.
Yeah.
I asked you if you believe. You believe?
Yeah.
That's why you should do your research, yeah? Where something they tell you, the lady tell you, Miss Chin tell you, you should go and do your research, yeah? Because that is a blatant lie. That is so lie. Such a big lie.
Hold on there.
Right?
You tell me why you believe say Andrew Wellness steal the money. You when you hear you believe. Tell me why you believe. Because we want to understand the mindset of those who believe.
Yes. On YouTube, my father always watch Wayne Lewis and
Hey.
where other man name Andre Stevenson.
Propaganda
Okay,
machine.
so yeah, listen, so you end up get second-hand information from the people who are spreading propaganda based on the fact that they support the PMP, are disgruntled because of whatever reasons.
But me always see them with evidence.
What evidence? How
Which
you determine it to
evidence?
be
Which evidence?
evidence?
No, but
Alright.
no, but she is
So
correct.
what day me
Yeah,
Let
watch
her talk. Let her explain
yeah,
her.
more hear what she
Let
has
Let's
to
me
say.
explain
explain.
herself. Yeah.
what day me watch what my name?
Eh?
No, Mr. Wayne Lonesome.
Mm-hmm.
And he must show a video when Mr. man from Portland. When
It's
you
a vase. It's a vase.
Mr. Vaz. What I say now? Something there's it in the traffic light.
Oh, the traffic light video. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And he
Mm-hmm.
must and him say, Mr. Vaz say, oh he say? Him say last year, and he say it could be last year because this year and did Miss Diane Jackson. Miss Diane
Yeah,
Jackson in her
Jackson Miller.
birthday.
Mm-hmm.
So he must say, Mr. Vaz a liar because in a February him do it.
I had that video, and that video was discussed several times. And let me tell you something. You see, Renee, you see, sometimes even the evidence that we see,
Ermin, mute your mic there, Ermin.
even the evidence that we see, people are post. You understand what is splice and editing, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So what they were doing, what the PMP was doing, and this was not last year. This video was not last year. And I will also say this to you, that do you know, have you ever seen politicians, especially ministers, moving through the community?
Sometimes.
Yeah, generally when they are moving through, they have police escorts.
Bodyguard.
Thank you very much. So you know that these people, based on whatever movement they're going through, most of the times the everyday traffic rules that apply to everybody else not generally applies to them. There is exception made for them, right?
Yes, miss.
All right.
Even Mark Golden too.
Yes, and I did say politicians. Me never did I talk about just labor right politicians. Politicians in general, even court judges, just they are like even the police at any given time if they have a call or them have a needs to be, because without them having flashing lights or on an emergency, the police too has to stop at red lights and obey road signs, because in general that is just road traffic act. We cover everybody, right? But without going into all of that details, because to be very frank with you, I don't remember all of the whole story and I don't want to give you any false information. But them showing that video to say Mr. Vaz is a liar has nothing to do with SSL. So even if Mr. Vaz had run a red light and saying he did not run it, that is a total situation from what would be the case of what happened in a private institution where Bolt, not Bolt under his personal name, but under a company that was registered in another country, was doing investment banking. You understand what makes that to you just now?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
But Renee, all right, me I gonna ask you something. Me I gonna break it down in a simpler way. All right. Your father have a bank account, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now me, Zane. So your father have a business. Me no know your father business, right?
Yeah.
And him have the bank account in a business name, right? And me have money in the same bank, right? How can I get access to your father money? How me get access to your father money?
You cannot get access to his money.
All right. No.
without
So
information.
without me knowing, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, most of the people them who they work at SSL never know some Bolt even have money in the SSL, right? Because the company where him register is under is a company where him farm him mother name and father name together and farm a company, right? So the money under for them name. So in the, under UCN St. Leo Bolt name. Now, how Andrew would know say Bolt farm the company there? Because Bolt never lodge the money, right? A bank, is an investment firm.
Bolt himself has never been to the institution either.
He never got
So
it.
it's not like someone could just randomly know, say, oh, Bolt have an account over there. So
you understand? So whole people have money, them usually use them big firm, the Barrieta, SSL, no for them firm there. So it's not actual, so that them invest in stocks in other company like Facebook, Amazon, them big companies. Right? All right. So Andrew have fee money in the same company. Now Andrew put in money for invest so your money can grow. So it's a time period, say 2 years. So after 2 years now, you get interest on the money and get more money upon the money. So the timeline now come and Andrew pull out his money. That's it, You understand? After 2 years, Andrew pull out his money. Right? Now, when both be ready for fee money now, and then go for check, the money is not there. So just because the Prime Minister had his money in the same institution, people are saying that the Prime Minister
had investment account in the same institution. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Let me piggyback on where Punkos just said. Renee, me come back now. You hear me? You hear me, Renee?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you just say a while ago something very important what Punkos just said. You just say a while ago that nobody can touch your father money because everybody have their own account. Not true?
Yes, sir.
So, if the Prime Minister have an investment, the Prime Minister don't have an account in SSL. SSL is not a bank. Neither does Usain Bolt. SSL is not a bank. SSL is what you call a brokerage firm. It means, therefore, that somebody is doing investment on your behalf. That's what a broker is. A broker is like a counselor. When you get in a fight at school, you have to go to the guidance counselor office and the guidance counselor sort out the differences between the two of you. You understand?
Yeah.
So the broker is like operate like a counselor. You go to the broker and you say to the broker, I want to do some investment in Google. And the broker say, okay, the Google share price and that's how it goes. Now, a Prime Minister started to use SSL as a brokerage to do investment in 2008. From 2008 to 2023 is a period of time that the Prime Minister was doing this investment. Bolt Company and his managers used SSL as a brokerage tool, as I said, like a counselor tool to trash out for them investment. They started in 2012. Now, the Prime Minister, when you're doing investment have different parts about it. And one important part is that you invest for the medium to long term. And what that does is it most times is a fixed situation. You can have the situation shorter and then you continue to reinvest. But you fix it for a period of time. And usually how these things work, it gets to a period that you say it matures. So you reach 18 now. So literally you're a young adult. You reach a certain level of maturity now. That's how investment work. You have a certain period of time, and then when it gets to that period of time, it matures. Now, there has to be a contract that is signed when you do these investments. So the contract might say, when the investment is mature, like when you reach 18 now, so you can go vote. So you sign up for your ID. When it gets to the level of maturity, because SSL is not a bank, the proceeds, the returns from that maturity, according to the contract, now has to be sent to a bank because it mature, so the company cannot hold it any longer. It has to now go to a bank. You following me so far, Renee?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is basically what happened. Now, if you understand that nobody can go into your father bank account, why would you believe then that because the PMP who don't like Andrew say that, yeah man, Andrew go in a Bolt account? Why would you believe that? Because if me can go in your father bank account because of the law, why would you believe because somebody who don't like Andrew say Andrew go in a Bolt bank account? What I want you to understand, Renee, is that these people are saying these things because they do not like Andrew. Just like, has anybody ever said anything about you yet who don't like you? Anybody at all?
Yeah.
Tell lie upon you, not true?
Yeah.
And you know say a lie them a tell, but sometimes it's hard for you prove say a lie them a tell, not true?
Yeah.
All right. It is the same thing happening to Andrew. So I want you to remember the normal common principle. If nobody can go in your father bank account, then I lie them a tell, because nobody can go in you see in Bolt bank account. You understand now?
Yes, sir.
You understand me?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. So now the lie that you hear from them, tell me so you don't believe it like, you just solve it for yourself look a while, you know. Because if nobody can go in your father bank account, then nobody can go in your UCN bank account. So you solve that lie there look a while, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means say the lie that them tell you say Andrew a thief, you don't longer believe it. Tell me you don't longer believe it.
No.
Okay, good. What else them say about Andrew now where you did believe? Tell me again.
The 28 bank book.
All right. How much bank book does your father have?
1.
How much you have?
None.
Okay. You want me to tell you how much me have? Me have 9. And there are other people on here now who have more than that. You want me to tell you why you have more than one account? Me go break it down for you now. You have more than one account because every time if you take a loan from the bank, you have to open a new account. Don't you hear
No. Hold
everybody
on, protective. Hold on. No. First of all, I have to establish something. Jamaica have 28 bank. Renee, it sounds like say a 28 different bank, right?
Well, on a
Hold on,
punkus.
no?
There's somewhere me
I
I go right
establish
this
say.
away. Wait, me I go right this away, man. Just follow me thing. No, I have 9 bank accounts, Renee. And there are other people who have more. You know why? Yeah, you there, Renee?
Yes, sir.
Because we do business with the bank. So you hear people talking that Andrew Holness do business, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, I have 4 bank accounts with NCB out of the 9. You understand that? Do you realize that you can have more than one bank account with a bank? You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, how many banks do you know in Jamaica? Name me the banks that you know are in Jamaica. Me not hear
We're
you.
not
You're
hearing
back
you
up
now,
low, you
Renee. You
know.
sound a bit
Come back
low.
up, Renee. You're low.
NCB,
Mm-hmm.
JN Scotia.
Yes.
Sajikura one bank too.
Yes.
And
VMBS just get banking status. So that's a 5, right? With VMBS.
Victoria Mutual, CIBC.
Right. Then you have CIBC. So about 6 or 7 banks in Jamaica, right, Renee?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you see that we do not have 28 banks in Jamaica like Punko said, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what does it mean, Renee? Does it mean then that Andrew, just like myself, have more than one account in one bank, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Before we go there, the 28 bank account that you hear them talking about, did you hear the part of the story that says that they were talking about his mother's bank account and his father's bank account?
No.
Okay. So of the 28 bank account, his mother has 2 that his name is on.
Hold on, protecting JA. Ask her this, Renee. The bank account that your father have, has he put your name on it as well, that you can go and do your withdrawals and deposit in that account as well?
Yes, miss.
Okay, continue
Okay.
protecting JA.
Right. So that's where I was going, really. So his mother has 2 and his father has 1 that his name is on. They didn't tell you that. You didn't hear that, right?
No.
Right. So that is 3 out of the 28 come out. So he left 25, right? Now, is the mother account, she put his name on the account when he was just a baby. Just like as you confirmed just now, your father have your name on his account, right?
Yes, sir.
And the same thing on his father account. Now, there are about 5 or 6 dormant accounts. But guess what? Once your name is on the account, even though the account is dormant, if you were to search the bank for
Explain.
Renee,
Maybe make Renee know what dormant is if she don't know.
right, so dormant mean you don't use that account for a while. So that account is just there in the bank.
Inactive, Renee. Inactive.
Inactive. You don't use it any at all. So the account is just in the bank. It's just there, but because you did open it already, it's just your name is there still and it's on it. Did they tell you that almost half of the amount is account that have not been used? It's just dormant, inactive. They didn't tell you that?
No. Never hear that.
Okay. And did they tell you that of the few other accounts that are left are investment account? For example, the account that did the investment where SSL was a broker, it's an investment account. It's not a normal bank account. Did they tell you that?
No.
Did anybody tell you that it's not just a regular savings account like I am assuming that your father has? It's not just those accounts that are there. Are other accounts for other purposes. Did anybody tell you?
I know that SSL is not a bank.
No, he's not referring to SSL now.
No, I'm not referring to them. No, I'm just talking about the bank account for investments is different from your savings account. Did anybody tell you that?
Yes.
Okay. So how many accounts are we left with now, Renee? We're left with about 9 because we show you that some dormant, some is his mother and father, and one of them is an old account from the constituency when he just went to the constituency that his name is on. So we are left with about 9 now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have 9 accounts and the Prime Minister have 9 accounts. I invest, he invests. Do you see a problem with that?
No, sir.
Okay, so now you understand.
Please, more beg you one piece side. So Renee, when you heard that the Prime Minister have 28 bank accounts, what came to your mind? Renee? Yeah, when you heard that he had 28 accounts, what came to your mind?
Me say I rob poor people.
Okay, but why would you say that he's robbing poor people when having did you think that having 28 bank accounts is illegal?
Yes, miss.
You thought it is an illegal act?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, the father
Okay.
echo in my background say Andrew is born poor.
Yeah, me hear him. Me hear him. But Renee, we attack to. We attack to the
Renee.
young man.
Well, you can't sue the people them we spread rumors. Cause if me know say a man spread rumor upon my name with certain allegation, you know, me I carry them a court, you know.
Yeah, but the Prime Minister has gone with his statutory declaration with the IC to court, and the PNP still have a problem with it, and PNP supporters still have a problem with it.
Hold on, Kizzy, hold on.
It not certified female.
Daddy, I'm glad you come back. You know how long me that call for you, Daddy. I've been here protect
Yeah,
you.
man, but so you say me I start out to go up on the road, still me I start out my business to go up on the road.
Yeah, man, just give me 2 minutes. You can give me 2 minutes? Yeah? You can give me 2 minutes, right?
Yeah, boss, yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah,
Here
man.
what me I know. So your daughter have a job yet? She start work yet?
No, I mean I support her.
But she a try to get a job. She have a try to get a job, right?
Yeah.
So you know sign her up for none of the art program them. Remember the government a pay about 75,000 for you go learn a trade. You know, just sign her up, make she go learn, go get a trade, no, so that
No, man,
until she figure out.
She was there in a 2000 in a 24, you know.
She was there in 24. Okay, all right. You want me, I know. No, you want me tell you something. You sound like a balance man, you know. You sound like a man where you think, and even though you support the PNP for many years, it sound like you really a thinker. You see the things them out there, you follow them, right? But here what me I gonna ask you if you do that, cause me respect you, you know, cause you see true you come up and you carry your daughter still cause you want her if you understand from both sides. Me respect you. Here me want you to do, you see? Me don't want you to tell your daughter say because you're born poor, you're dead poor. Because me sure know say you see the same struggles where you come through, you don't want her to come through them struggles, not true?
No, me tell them that every day, man.
All right. So here what me I tell you for now.
If me didn't board us, me don't want them come, you know, board us, man, them come and have them own concrete house, them car and them.
Right.
You get me tell them
So
all
me
of
want you
these
to
things,
see.
man.
So I want you to see the example where the Prime Minister set. From the Prime Minister reach 23, him start invest. But guess what? You see people them where I give the information on the social media, them now tell you say from him at 23, man, invest. So the invest them must grow over time and it must make something of an investment when can live now. You don't think so?
Yeah, man.
All right. Here the next thing I want you to do. Which bank you have your account? NCB or Scotia?
NCB.
All right. You know what I want you to do? By next week, do it by Monday. Go in at the bank, you see? And tell them say you want to talk to the officer we deal with investment.
Pass the water. Oh, me show it out.
Yeah. Tell them say you want to talk to the officer we deal with investment, you see? And tell the officer we deal with investment, say, the Trans Jamaica Highway shares are going to come on stream next week. And this, you see little money where you have put on in your account for the rainy day where you come up?
Yeah.
Trust me and trust the Prime Minister. Because the Prime Minister set the trend on that. Tell the investment part of the bank, say, you want to invest a little money where you put on for savings in the account, in a Trans Jamaica Highway. Tell them, say, you want to buy the 1,000 shares. And here what me I promise you. Just like how the Prime Minister invests on my youth, and it a pay off now when can build a nice house and him a show the youth them say you have to invest. Me can promise you before you close your eyes and before your daughter reach 25, you're gonna make $1 million. What if me promise you that? Will you listen to me and do that Monday morning?
Yeah, man, nothing impossible.
All right. Monday morning, just get up, bed, put on your clothes, no matter what you have to do. Something important me I tell you in a party. Because even the young youth, them in our society, you know, in them 20s and 30s, you know. I saw some of them I make their money, you know. None of them are scamming, you know, but I saw some of them I make their money. Them invest in them things, yeah. So, you know, just listen to the people them where I tell you, say, oh, the country this and the Prime Minister are thief. No, listen to that.
No.
You have to listen to where I tell you, say, we can make you as rich as the Prime Minister. So here me I tell you if you do that. Walk in at the bank Monday morning and tell them, say, the money where you have in at the account, you want to put it in at the new highway, something where you open. And remember me tell you, in a 5 years time, he's a millionaire. And you can trust with that.
Tell him to go at JMMB, and I believe you have is a certain amount of 100 or 1,000. 1,000 you're
1,000.
supposed to can buy it.
$3,
Minimum
$3
And
Yeah.
$3.60 per
yeah,
share.
listen. Yeah, hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Now say something here. Big man thing.
Yeah.
You see that? You see this young lady?
Yeah.
This lady at the talk.
Yeah.
That yes,
Talk a
me
while
when
ago.
I allow you to talk
See,
not bad about my
No,
MP then.
no,
Yes.
listen, me.
me
We're
tell
not,
you.
Hold on, Kizzy.
listen,
Hold
me.
on.
We're
Hold
not
on, Kizzy.
quarreling, no, babe. We're not
Yeah, hear
quarreling,
him,
just suggest
ma address
something.
me, so me address him back. Me I make him know say
No,
yeah, me I hear him.
me not say nothing bad about you. Listen when me I say no lady, oh you so eat it.
Be not
Kizzy.
okay, say what you say.
Because
Say what you say,
yeah,
sir.
then
Say what you
you
say.
see.
Speak,
No,
man.
me can't talk to you. You're too easy. No, man.
Daddy.
You see, you're gone now.
Hold on,
And then,
Daddy.
brother,
Hold on,
me
Daddy.
a yata. Me a
Yeah,
yata. Me
tell
no want
no
to hear
man, but
nothing
guess
from
what?
she. Cause she
No
too
man, hear what me I
easy.
say. Hear what me I say. You see?
Me
Come
go left
respect
with
you.
her again, you know. Me go left with
Hold
her
on,
again.
man.
Cause
Me
me
Say what
respect
you
you
say,
too.
man. I
And me
want to hear what
respect
you
the
say,
man,
man.
the man. But she just get heated, brother.
All right, hear what me I go tell you
She
now.
get so
She a
heated.
go,
She
she
have
a
to
go.
calm, man.
All right, she calm
She
you
have
now.
to
More you
calm, brother.
feel.
Cause
Hold on,
if
now.
you know, me, you see the people them will listen we. If them for call in and tell you, she too heated, brother.
All right, hear
And
what
you
me I
have to
say.
calm. You see the lady we talk yesterday. You see the lady we talk yesterday. And the boss, and when she said she go, and the other man said, well, him no want she like him no want hear her off like say. Me not even remember. But that lady is when she come and she that talk, that lady talk good. And me love how she talk. And she not take no
Yes, I
side.
love her
But
voice.
this
You think
lady,
it easy? I like a
no,
lady by her voice, man.
you
Mine
feel
is
me? I say,
mine is a
no, I know.
stepmother you look
She
for
just
that.
talk straight. But this lady, I mean, I tell you straight, boss.
All right, my boss.
If
No
you
Say
man,
play
the
something
for
now,
lady
man.
no
nobody, she
mean
too
no harm,
She
easy.
no
man. She
mean,
no
I
mean no
saw she
No, but
harm.
talk,
she
you know,
She no
daddy.
mean no harm. I saw she
Yeah, I saw
talk.
she
She
talk.
no
I
mean
know
no,
she
no
don't
she
really
harm.
mean
easy,
nothing.
man.
I just saw she
Yeah.
talk, but she
This is
All
good,
what
right,
you
man.
I
want to
reach.
feel.
You know,
Uno not
you
defend
see
me.
what you
Uno
say
not
to me?
defend me.
You say,
Uno not defend me.
yeah,
Kizzy,
Make
they
it
know.
talk.
we're
Uno not
defend you.
defend me.
Easy,
Make it talk.
easy.
Please.
Yeah.
Uno not tell
All
me
right,
listen to me.
bossy,
Cause you know that it piss me
bossy,
off. But make him
bossy,
talk.
bossy,
Yes, madam. Me there you
bossy.
see me. Yeah.
Yeah, what me I say to you now, you see what you encourage me upon.
Yeah.
Me I go take me look at data. My daughter, me always call her look at that state. Me I make sure me and her go and she just deal with it. You see what me I say? So
Yes.
me will see where it go from there, so. Good
Yes, man.
encouragement
Go
and
there.
respect. God.
And you see when you watch Lonesome and them people there, and Andre Stevenson,
Yeah.
you have to remember
Mm-hmm.
say them people there, just like how we are bat for our side, them are bat for their side, but guess what? You have to comb through where them are saying, you have to tell your daughter so she have to able to see, cause remember, you know, politics
So
is
why
a
you feel so she
competition.
depend it from yesterday? Why you feel so she depend this? Me could have tell her don't for come on fighting and nobody with it, you know. Cause
Okay. You don't
if me
want
tell
her
her
to do
that
the
she have to
same
do
thing
it,
them
you
what you
know.
do.
Cause
You
that
don't
me
want her
have
to do the same thing them
me
what
have
you do.
provide for her. Then that me I show you about even now. Remember say Andre Stevenson put Andrew him there now, you know. A lie?
Oh,
We're
No,
not,
Him
we're
fight,
no,
not,
you
him
know
no,
fight,
what?
when
Me
him
have to
no,
fight,
we're
listen to
not
her
gonna say
again.
listen
yes.
to me. When
But
Oh,
Kizzy, hold on, Kizzy, man. I'm not
oh.
arguing argument.
Look here. What Lester don't tell me shit. Argue which part?
Hello, hello.
When
No,
something of ask a question.
I made that shit work. That way just like a fuckery.
All right, me glad. I know,
Okay.
I know. Uno no bother with it. Uno
A
no
long
bother with
time
it.
me I
but
And the
listen to
same
it.
thing make you know want talk to me
we miss
because
an
him
opportunity,
jump up
Kizzy.
and say Warmington
Yeah,
and
but
Desmond
we wanna
Mackenzie.
try, we wanna try
And
to
Desmond
reach your
Mackenzie.
daughter.
And
That's
me
not
not
a
think you
word.
should the moving plan, but differently still.
But I'm